Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In today's video we're going to talk about joint plot with kernel density estimation, or KDE. So this is my joint plot, and I would like to first of all learn how to plot this, and secondly I would like to discuss how we can learn from this plot, or what are the things that we can understand from this plot. So first of all, we're going to import the necessary libraries like Seaborn, Matplotlib library, Pandas, and NumPy. Then we would like to generate our data. So feature 1 and feature 2, they are randomly they are generated using the normal distribution for 200 data points. Using the NumPy library for feature 1, and for feature 2 the same thing, but we are having different mean and scale here. Okay, and this line is going to help me whenever I run the code. I'm going to get the same result. If I comment this line or remove this line or delete this line, it is going to generate a new data every time that I run the code. And then we would like to set the style for better visualization. We are willing to have a white grid, as you see. And also we created our data frame here. So data frame function from the Pandas library is called to create our data frame called data. Now I would like to have a joint plot with KDE, or let's say kernel density estimation. So I call the joint plot function from the Seaborn library. And for the x-axis we are having feature 1. This is the feature 1. Okay, this is the feature 2 for y-axis. Then data from the joint plot function is filled with the data frame that we have here called data. And we are having the KDE here because we would like to have the KDE, we would like to have the kernel density estimation, and we would like to fill the under the line plot here. So we fill equals true, meaning that we would like to fill under the line plot. And then we are having the color map to be blue. So you see that the colors are blue here, different types of blue. So for example, dark blue, light blue, etc. So this is my joint plot. This is my title. I use the subtitle function from the Matplotlib library. This is the title, joint plot with kernel density estimation KDE. And we are also calling the show function from the Matplotlib library to have our figure. But let me zoom out a little bit. So when I zoom out a little bit, we see the figure here. And this figure is a joint figure that uses kernel density estimation, or let's say KDE, instead of a scatter plot to represent the distribution of two numerical values. So this is feature 1 and feature 2. So a joint plot here shows the relationship between two numerical values, and this specific plot does not use a scatter plot, but instead we are using the kernel density estimation, or KDE, to show the density estimation. The main plot here, the main one in the center, this one I'm talking about, show the relationship, show the density of the data points. So we see here, for example, at the point 0 and 2, we are having the most dense around this point. This is the most dense part, which represented by darker region, indicating the higher density. Okay, and the lighter region indicate lower density. For example, here we are having the lower density, meaning that there are fewer data points in that area. And this allows a smooth estimation of the data distribution. And the top histogram, this one, and KDE curve represent the distribution of feature 1, which is on the x-axis, and this one is on the y-axis. This one is for feature 2, and these show how the individual features are distributed. And data, as I mentioned, appears to be centered around 0 and 2 because we are having the darker color here showing the let's say higher density. And then there is a high concentration of data points in the center as indicated by darker KDE region that we discussed. Also, the shape of the KDE suggests that the data might be normally distributed, okay, because we are having like a bell here and like a bell here. So it is going to give us this hint that we use the normal distribution, which is indeed true, because actually we use the normal distribution to generate our data set. So basically, in this video we learned first of all how to plot a joint plot with a KDE, and then we learned about this main figure in the center, saying that the higher density is shown by darker color, and it's mostly near the point 0.2 here, and the lighter bluish color, or let's say grayish color, show the lower number of data points in that region. Thank you for watching.